We're lying in bed, and about every 30 minutes or so, I don't know exactly, but we hear this. Yep, the toilet's running, but I think we can do this. I'm going to see if I can stop that leak. This video could end bad because more times than not, when I get involved with the plumbing, it ends up where I need to call a plumber. It says Universal on it, so I'm assuming that it will fit that thing. First thing I'm going to do is cut the water off. What I'm going to try to work on is right in here. I'm going to take this water line, that white line, I'm going to take that off, and I'll put me something down here that is specially designed to catch water. Let's see how this works. Probably is a good idea for me to get as much water out of this tank as possible. What I decided to do, I'm going to sacrifice a few paper towels and try to dry this thing up pretty good. This is not a how-to video. This is a how I'm going to. That specially designed water catcher down there is working pretty good. Oh yeah. Hardest part of this job might be getting into that. No, not too bad. I don't see anything to do but put this back on. Wipe that off just a little bit. That's probably a smart thing to do. That's about as tight as I can get it with my fingers. Alright, I'm not going to tighten that up totally just yet because I'm going to put this one back on. Finish snugging this bug up, and it was just hand tight too. I don't think it's supposed to have that paper on it. Take that off. And what I'm going to do, for right or wrong, is I'm going to take this one off. And I'm going to put this new one right on there, like the other one was. So I'll put that hose right on there and drop that down in there. Now, you know, this is the part where I usually don't like what I see, but I'm going to turn the water on. I'm going to turn it on slowly. So far, sort of liking what I'm seeing. I did find out this little thing out here, I turned it all the way, I guess you call it counterclockwise, and that increased the flow of water coming into the tank, so to see if it cuts off. We know we got it turned on when it cut off. Hey. What you have watched, my friends, is a minor miracle. The finished product. You may have clicked on this and watched this as a stranger, but I hope that you'll leave as a friend. I won't see you in the next one, but I hope you'll see me.